Hello students, welcome again in series of CNC programming. This is my 6th video and we would be seeing the program for finishing this component. Now in the given component 1 mm material is in excess and I have to remove that 1 mm material. So to begin with, this is the origin. Horizontal axis is the z axis and the vertical axis is the x axis. So I will be placing since only 1 mm material is to be removed, I will be placing my tool somewhere over here. So to begin with, first 8 steps which are common to all CNC turning operations are, I am going to specify the program number first, then with sequence numbers I will start my program. First code is G90 which represents absolute programming, then it's G71 which represents metric mode, then it's G92. Along with that I am going to mention M42 and spindle speed as 600 rpm, that is maximum spindle speed clamp. M42 represents medium speed gear and S is the spindle speed. Then it's G95. Since the feed rate for this is given in mm per revolution, feed rate is 0.35. Then it's G28U0W0 which represents go to home position. After that I'll write M06, that is automatic tool change, followed by T0101, that is tool number 1 has been used. Then it's M03 to on the spindle along with speed, and then it's M08 for coolant on. Now I'll be placing my tool over here. So I will use the code G00 X12 and Z would be 1. Now I have to move to the left, and up till point here, up till this point the diameter is 12 mm. So it is linear interpolation. For that I will use the code G01. X would be 12 and Z would be minus 18. So my tool started from here and it has travelled up till point here. Along with that I will also mention the feed rate as 0.35. Now from this point I have to move to this point. Again it's linear interpolation, so I will use the code G01. Now I will specify the coordinates of the end point, that is this point. So for this point your x is 20, so I write x20, and z is, right from this origin up till this point, z is 23. So I write it as z minus 23. So I have reached up till this point. Now I have to go till here. So again it's linear interpolation. Tool will travel from this point up till here. For that I again use the code G01. X would be 20 and Z would be minus 40. This is the origin. From origin, this point, the distance is minus 40. Then I have to go to this point. So again it's linear interpolation. I take the code G01 and I specify the coordinate of the end point. So the coordinate of this point is x50 and Z would be minus 50. So once I have reached up till here, now next step is to go to the initial position. So I take the initial position as G00, X51 and Z1. So I have reached somewhere over here. After that I'll take the tool to home position, that's G28, U0, W0. After that next I have to off the spindle, that's M05. Then I have to off the coolant, that's M09. Then I have to end the program, that's M02. And then I have to end the tape and rewind, that's M30. So thank you so much for watching this video.